looking at what we have for our weather tonight, not sure if you're going to see shooting stars tonight. We do have clouds, and really for tonight, we do have a slight chance for rain, but the main focus really with our weather for tonight is just north of our area where a big tornado watch is out, and that does include officially should be really northern Tangipahoa into Washington parishes and Pearl River County in Mississippi. So the extreme northern fringe of our viewing area here is officially under the watch. But I will say that really the focus is even a bit farther north than that, really into southwest Mississippi and into the other parts of kind of the eastern flank of Mississippi in the southern half or so. Now look at these warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings. These are some strong storms with the potential for damaging winds and large hail. And this particular storm, as it rolled south of Alexandria, had a tornado warning attached. Now it's a severe thunderstorm warning, but this one is rotating and could potentially get another warning for tornadoes, potentially if it does continue rotating or we start to see other signs of that. Now that would still be just north of our area. This would likely be the strongest storm too, because it's the southernmost storm and able to tap in to the south winds, all this moisture from the south, and really most of the energy. Often you see this, a big smattering of storms, and sometimes the strongest one can be farther to the south. But really what we're seeing is the ingredients just north of us with this surface warm front and many other elements as well contributing to the severe thunderstorm warnings out there right now. But south of this warm front, we're not really expecting so much active weather tonight. Could be a couple showers or storms, but this has been gently moving north, and this is really the main area where we were looking for stronger storms for today. Now moving in tonight, notice there's now a moderate risk north of our area, not including our viewing area, but just to the north in Mississippi, and then along the fringes of our area, that's a level 3. Wouldn't get too caught up on all the individual lines, but you can see clearly not much of a severe threat at all from, let's say, the north shore of Lake Pontchartrain south, but it does increase quickly when you get into especially Mississippi. Quick check on tomorrow's severe threat, by the way. Officially, we're going to be under that level 1 lowest risk out of 5 levels for severe storms. So a couple of strong storms are possible tomorrow, not what we're expecting. We're not expecting for tomorrow what we're seeing north of us with all of those severe warnings out right now in Mississippi. Our radar has been mostly quiet. Actually, we have had a few showers, even a few light sprinkles at times south of the lake, but all those showers north of the lake have pretty much at this point, almost 6 p.m., moved off to the north. And so this is what we're seeing. Warm, muggy feel. Our temperature at 81 and south winds up to about 15 plus miles per hour, and all of us in the 80s. Later this evening, we'll drop through the 70s, and we do have a chance for a few overnight showers, and especially toward dawn, we may actually start to see some rain. Tomorrow, we have a 40% chance of rain with our highs around 81. Your planner for tomorrow, few scattered showers and storms look likely. Now, this is through this evening. Again, you can see the stronger storms stay to the north, maybe a few isolated showers here. This is Monday morning, so you might have some rain around for the early commute as this front continues to just hover here close enough to help to spark some showers and storms. Tomorrow afternoon, 30–40% chance for continued scattered rain. It wraps up in the evening, but look at this. By Tuesday morning, a wave of some showers and storms moves in, maybe right around 8 and 9 o'clock, potentially in the morning, and then we turn cooler for the rest of Tuesday and into Wednesday and Thursday. That will be a little dip in our temperatures before we warm back up for this weekend.